I'm Harriet and I'm the founder of Floatality Yoga. Today I'm going to show you how to do plank pose properly with correct alignment. So if you come down onto your mats, think about taking your hands and feet to all four corners of the mat. I want you to plant your hands, spread your fingers and press into the ground with your hands first, and then step your feet back, coming onto your toes and finding that plank position. I want you to think about finding your knees, hips and shoulders all in one line. Tuck the tailbone under, draw the navel back towards the spine, engage that core, squeeze the inner thighs and squeeze the glutes to protect the lower back and help lift the hips away from the floor. With your shoulders, think about pulling them apart, spreading them so that you're creating a nice flat top of your back and you're not sinking in and winging like this through your arms. So really think about lifting through the chest, lifting that chest away from the floor, pressing away from the floor with the hands. And then your eye gaze should be nice at the front of your mat, just in front of your hands, so that you've got a nice neutral neck. If this is too much, you can always drop the knees, but try and retain that shoulders, hips and knees all in one line so that you've still got that core engagement, you're still sucking that navel into your spine, squeezing those glutes, squeezing those inner thighs and pushing up through the shoulders. And exhale to relax.